Okay, this is the square 7 of the beginner's crochet along Afghan. I think it's called the Bobble stitch, if I remember correctly. This is actually upside down, so that's what it looks like. It's just a bunch of bobbles, which are, I don't know, sort of like combined double crochets. This one is going to be done in colors A and B. And it says to start with a chain 36. Okay, that's your chain 36. And now we're supposed to, in the 4th chain from the hook, we're going to do our first bobble. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to do it right there. The first bobble is a yarn over. You put it in your stitch, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Now you're going to yarn over, put it in the same stitch, pull through, yarn over, just pull through 2. So now you should have 3 loops on your hook. And then last time, yarn over, put it in your stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through 2. That is the end of your bobble, except for now we're going to yarn over and pull through all 4. So that's how you make a bobble. We're going to chain 1, and then we skip the next stitch. Just be careful. Sometimes these stitches will go over onto the next one, so make sure that you're not skipping too many. So I'm going to skip this one right here and go into this one. First, yarn over, and then pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, go in the hole, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, go through the hole, and then yarn over, pull through 2. So there's our 4 stitches. The final yarn over and pull through is our last bobble, and then we're going to chain 1. So you're going to do that all the way across, and I believe that ends up making 17 bobbles. Okay, we're doing the last bobble. So you can see I'm going to skip that one and go in here. So okay, so there's my 4 loops I'm going to pull through, and then this next row, that's what it looks like. The next row that we're going to do, we start by just doing a chain 3, and each of these rows is the same. We don't do something different going back or anything, so it's a pretty simple stitch. So you do your chain 3 and turn. Now you don't have to count and skip stitches anymore. It's pretty fast because we're just going to go into this chain space, which is some of my favorite stitches. It's just so easy. I can almost do this stitch without looking sometimes. So we're going to do our bobble, and then still do your chain 1, and then you're going to go into the next space. And you just do that all the way across until you get to the very end. We're going to do that all the way across till we get to the end, and then the last space is going to be this one right here. We'll put a bobble right in that section right there, and then chain 3. All right, last 2 stitches. 1, 2, and then the 3rd time of pulling through, yarn over, pull through all 4, and then this is where we're going to do our last bobble right here. Just kind of got to pull that out, and it just goes right in that space. You don't have to worry about putting it inside a chain or anything. Like that. And then you just kind of keep going back and forth until you've made it all the way to the top to make your square. And then you'll do your next row starting with the chain 3. And then of course, end by putting your border on all the way around, and make sure there's 38 stitches on each side with a chain 1 in the corner.